showing you guys how to make a honey sugar scrub for your lips and how to use it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, like and leave a comment. The lips have a protective layer which helps to balance and retain moisture, and this layer being unbalanced leaves the lips flaky and peeling, which we also know as chapped lips. A lip scrub is necessary for aiding healthy and hydrated full lips, as it will remove dead skin and help your lip balm infiltrate the lipid layer. So you're gonna need some sugar and honey. I have in here 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I have here some honey. I'm gonna take my finger, clean your finger, don't forget to clean your finger, combine it. All the sugar is coated with honey and combined. I can go ahead and apply to my lips. So start by patting the scrub onto the lips. Just like that. You can eat some. And then with your finger again, gently rub the scrub onto your lips. Do this for about 30 seconds. Afterwards, leave it on for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you can rinse it off, or you can use a makeup wipe to remove it. I am going to use a makeup wipe. You can go ahead, put on lipstick, put on lip balm, whatever you want.